You know, several months ago, I had a call from Hudson Alpha asking us if the city of Huntsville was interested in partnering to fight obesity. Hudson Alpha has been conducting research on a wide variety of human problems, including type 2 diabetes, which is often related to obesity. And it turned out that Alabama is second in the nation, and it's the second most obese state in the nation, with a rate that exceeds 30%. And that's double the number that it was 15 years ago. Directly related to obesity is the rising rate of type 2 diabetes. And according to the Center for Disease Control, type 2 diabetes accounts for more than 90% of the diabetes cases and is typically associated with lifestyle decisions. As was said in one of our meetings, the type 2 diabetes is totally preventable by diet, by exercise. Obesity has reached epidemic proportions in our state, and Huntsville can no longer afford to ignore the impact that obesity has had on the quality of lives and on our health. So we thought that a partnership to create a healthier Huntsville was a great idea. And right behind me, you see all of our partners. We are joined by Huntsville Hospital, Star Market, Fleet Feet, the Huntsville Times, Sterling Health, the Links, and Regions Banks. And all of us are partners in fighting obesity in the state of Alabama and in the Huntsville area. Representatives of each of these groups is here with us today, and we're challenging every organization, business, school, and individual in Huntsville community to join us for a 4-month effort to encourage citizens to operate on a healthy lifestyle. Our goal is to change the way that Huntsville citizens eat, Huntsville citizens exercise, and to reduce the rising rate of obesity and diabetes in our community. We've already begun this effort with the city, with our employees. We started a couple of years ago, and we started with the Scale Back program. We started looking at health costs. We were spending $20 million a year on health costs, and diabetes is one of the most expensive of the diseases that we have to look at. And with 30% of our workforce overweight, 30% of our workforce with the capacity to have diabetes, it's one of the most expensive areas in our insurance portfolio. And so we started working on it daily. The city is participating in Scale Back Alabama for the second year in a row. The city administration is participating in it, and we have teams. When we had a team last year, we'll have a team this year. We have many good teammates, don't we, Michelle? Yes, we do. Okay. And it begins tomorrow, January 21st, and continues, and you can sign up starting tomorrow, January 21st, all the way through January 27th. And you can weigh in at Huntsville Hospital or one of 8 public weigh-in sites, or go to healthyhuntsville2012.com for the link to the Scale Back site and list of those locations. We're encouraging everybody to participate in Alabama Scale Back. And research continues at the Institute in the Human Health to include work on diabetes and obesity, as well as Hudson Alpha's educational outreach program that includes Dr. Neil Lamb, who will be making presentations to better inform the public on these issues. Huntsville Hospital is working with us as a partner. Huntsville Hospital will be supporting the initiatives through their services and work with Scale Back Alabama in educational outreach and wellness centers. And if you've ever been to one of their wellness centers and sat down and talked to one of the workers there, you can find out quickly how to cut back on calories and how to increase your exercise. Community Grocery and Pharmacy Star Market will have personnel stepping in to conduct cooking classes and provide tips for healthy eating and purchasing. And we want to make it easy for families to cook nutritious food and make good choices. Fleet Feet of Huntsville is going to help get Huntsville moving. Y'all been getting Huntsville moving for a long time, haven't you? Working on it. Good. Well, they're going to be helping. They're going to help get Huntsville moving, and they're going to help us get in shape for the inaugural Hudson Alpha Double Helix Dash, which will happen right here, up and down the Helix, which is a 5K run that will be held right here in McMillan Park on April 10th. And the city of Huntsville will be reaching out to the community to offer a variety of opportunities to get off the couch and exercise. You may not realize it, but there are 54 parks in the city of Huntsville. Some passive parks, some recreational parks. And every one of them has an opportunity for you to get off the couch and to work out. We have a number of parks that have inside facilities and have inside courses that you can take. And the City of Huntsville will be partnering with everybody, with our parks and our neighborhoods, and we'll be offering our community centers and recreational facilities, our swimming pools, so that people can get off the couch and exercise. Sterling Health is assembling a schedule of activities to take the program into summer months and beyond, because this doesn't just stop after 4 months. This is a continued lifestyle change that we're looking for. And I'm also pleased to announce that Regions Bank is a sponsor, also lending support, particularly with the Double Helix Dash. The Huntsville Times, where are you, Steve? Okay, there's Steve. The Huntsville Times is going to help get out news on this, get the word out to the publics. And they will make sure that we have providing assistance with grocery coupons and healthy shopping and cooking. Healthy cooking and healthy eating does not have to be more expensive, and they're going to help us with that. And then the Healthy Huntsville Initiative will culminate in the spring with the mayor's 4-mile bike ride downtown in early May. Only a couple rules on the mayor's bike ride. 1, no heels. 2, no small children can finish before the mayor finishes. So our new website is healthyhuntsville2012.com, and that's spelled all the way out, healthyhuntsville2012.com. And it's a clearinghouse for the partnering organizations and for new ones that will be joining us. This site will provide all the information on healthy activities, events, recipes, grocery coupons, exercise and diet tips, and links to resources, maps to the city's parks, the trails, the greenways, and anything else we can think of that will help us achieve our goals. We want to be the catalyst for change and to show our citizens that there is a better way. We already know that Huntsville is one of the smartest places in the country to live. And if we can raise awareness about this serious health risk that obesity has on our quality of life and the longevity of our lives, and how easy it is to take off those extra pounds, we can find out that Huntsville is one of the fittest places to live. It's an exciting thing. When you look across the board, what we can do with obesity, number one, you make somebody healthier. They're healthier and more productive at work. They're healthier and more productive at home in their personal life. They're healthier and more productive as a community partner out there. And that's what we're looking for. That's the bottom line of what we're looking for out of this program. A byproduct, a benefit of this, you lower your health costs. Everybody talks about the crisis in healthcare. If we want to solve that crisis in healthcare, this is one of the ways to do it.
We've got a lot of initiatives to try to keep people healthy. Obviously, our wellness centers are very important in keeping the public healthy. We have trainers there. We have dietitians that are available for people who want to lose weight, and we have a lot of people participating in that, and that's a good thing. We have diabetes and health education programs to help people who have diabetes. We do have a tremendous number of people in Alabama that have diabetes, and it is one of those chronic diseases that if people who have it manage it and take care of themselves, they will keep themselves from getting other complications that arise from diabetes. So we have a whole team of people that work on that as part of a healthy initiative. So that and some other things that we have we think are very important to the community, and we look forward to participating in this and helping the community be healthier, because that's a good thing for all of us. Thank you.
Well, Hudson Alpha is very happy to be a part of this program and those that will continue to go on. We have a very strong interest in trying to find ways to help all of our citizens be healthier and happier and be able to contribute more to society. What we're looking at, in addition to all the things that David and the mayor have been talking about, how do you find a way to eat healthy, to be able to exercise? We're also looking at what are the causes? What makes some people be able to eat just about anything they want to and still stay healthy, and other people eat really well and still have a problem with their weight? We're looking at what are the causes of those things. What other kinds of things can we do that may have to do with your particular makeup, your personal makeup, that we can help pinpoint what are the things that will work best for you. That's part of the goal of Hudson Alpha here, is to personalize the entire process, to look at those things that work for you, not for everybody else, but works for you. And so that's part of what we're going to be talking about in the coming months as we get ready for our spring benefit. That's part of our program. We want to be part of helping you be healthier and happier.
There's so many people that have diabetes that walk through our doors every day. They have diabetes, they're a caretaker of someone with diabetes, they have a spouse that has diabetes, or they know someone that has diabetes. And one of the first steps in managing diabetes is your intake and what you eat. And as a grocery store, we have those items, and the first step is looking at the items on the grocery shelf and choosing the correct item, a healthier item. You take it home and then you prepare it correctly at home to help not only yourself but your whole family. And we've been doing great cooking classes and healthy eating classes at our markets for the past 5 years. And we're just thankful that spotlight has been put on diabetes and obesity so people can empower themselves to make good decisions and live healthier and better lives without the complications of diabetes that come down the road.
This is a great effort, and I tell you what, this is something that affects our entire community, and it's something that will make our community a better place. So thank you for coming out. Everybody will be here for a minute if you need to do any one-on-ones. Thank you.